I'm going to try and remove that pesky alarm that's doesn't belong. Mr. FedEx just turned up. Air compressor! So yeah, I bought a compressor because I thought it might be handy to for blowing out like the spark plug holes, and I just thought it'd be generally handy for cleaning some of the dirt and grime and dust off of the bike. Smart, right? I got it from eBay, and maybe I'll make an unboxing video on it. That would be cool, wouldn't it? Did I get it from eBay? I might have bought it from somewhere else. I can't remember. Tell you what, as a special treat, I'll do an unboxing video for you right now. Go! What's up, YouTube? It's a train going by. Welcome to my unboxing video of my Parker air compressor. Okay, hopefully it's going to be good. Now, this is box 1 of 2. I know, exciting. But the other one's a bit smaller. I don't think it sounds broken. Okay. Yeah! That's nice. Wheels. Oh, polystyrene. Instruction book. A little plug thing. Wow, this looks pretty good. Can't remember how much I paid for this. I'll put it on the screen now. That's it. Looks alright. Comes with wheels, comes with instructions. Got a little gauge on it. I'll show you. Little air compressor. Cool. Comes with obviously a UK plug. That's a relief. Comes with a switch on there. Little gauge thing. Cool. There we go. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time. Cheers. Okay. Where was I? Now we've been distracted. Right, I'm going to pop off. I'm going to pop off the bolt for this water tank because this is going behind it. Now I could cut it, but where's the fun in that? Where's my penetrate that bolt? Oh yeah. I thought that might come out easily. I just had a feeling. Okay. It's not going to come out that easily, is it? Actually, no, because there's 2. Obviously. Another train going past. Wasn't sure about that bolt then, I thought he was going. Cool. 2 for 2 on that one. And we can just get this guy out. I don't think it's going to get through there, does it? I think, right, these little guys, you know what I was saying about, I wasn't sure what this was. I think there's one on the other side as well. I've got a feeling there might be proximity sensors for the alarm. So if you go near to the bike, it goes, yeah, get away. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not an expert. I definitely don't claim to be. So that actually unplugs from that. Yeah, it's definitely something to do with the alarm. Okay, let's get the snip snips. Snip snips. Where have I put them? Okay. So the more I look at this, the less I think I'm going to get the ignition on today. Excuse me. I was installing a radiator yesterday, and in the floorboards there's like rock wool. It's like sound insulation, and it just gets in my lungs. Yeah, I know I should have had a dust mask on or something. God, this wiring is an absolute mess. But it's okay. We can sort it. Definitely. So let's get all these little cable ties out. Okay. Snapped bolt. I'm so sad about that. But then again, it was going to happen, wasn't it? Where did I even snap that from? Did I even need to take that out? Oh yeah, because so oh okay. It's actually if you can see me, it's not the end of the world, because that hasn't snapped in the bike. It actually snapped in this clip, so I can actually take that out quite easily, I reckon. Can you see it? It's one of those like clip-on plastic things. I'm going to pop the washer bottle, the coolant bottle back in so I don't lose the bolts, because I don't need to take that bit off yet. Oh no. Where did that go? Yeah. It's just gone into the abyss of nothingness. Look at these little springs. It's a 40-year-old spring and it's still springing. There's a spring in his step. You've got to stop doing that. Where did that go? Aha. So how come that fell out and the other side didn't? Because the other side doesn't have one. I'm guessing last person to take that out. Oh wait, no, it does have one. I'm looking in the wrong place. Okay, let's pop it out before I lose it. Okay, cool. They're just little washer things, spacers, things. So let's very carefully, because I really like the look of these springs and I want to keep them. There we go. Carefully take that guy out. Same on the other side. So cool. And then that come off there. It's okay. It was just a bit of tape that fell off that time. Right, brilliant. I'm going to take the springs off and pop them in the baggie with the screws. I'm going to have to find a bigger bag to put these in, because I'm going to forget what they are and where they go. Kate just brought me a pan of chocolate. If you're watching, Kate, thank you. Okie doke. Right, more tiny little cable ties to get rid of. There's a lot of wiring, like, for this alarm. It was obviously quite a good one back in the day. Somebody didn't want their bike being stolen, which is fair. If anyone wants a piece of history and a 28-year-old cable tie, broken, single use, message me. I'm going to take this fairing off because I just noticed there's a screw in there holding the rear light on, so if I take that off then I can put the fairing with the other pieces safely. Bang. Okay, so the screw came out quite easily. However, there's more wires to do with the alarm. I don't know if you can see in there. There's like a key thing and a blinky light. I doubt very much blinky light works. Get these cable ties out of the way. Right, I'm going to unscrew them from the other end so I can actually get this fairing off. I'm just worried about it because it's obviously original and I don't want anything to happen to it. Okay, so the battery of my phone just died. So we've got my old Sony Alpha camera that I'm using. Be a good test actually because it's got a boom mic on it. So I don't know. Well, hopefully you can see me. I'm just removing all the wires from the alarm at the minute. Sprayed all these terminal blocks with WD-40 so that the screws actually come undone. And hopefully in a minute we'll have concoction of wires and cables. Now I did actually buy a little clip-on Bluetooth microphone. Unfortunately, the USB port in my phone is knackered, so it didn't work. So I need a new phone. Ooh, that bit's off. Okay. Now that bit will come out that way. Okay, cool. Right, so there's the siren. Ooh, I know. I'm going to see if this works. Where's that 9-volt battery I had? Okay, plan. I'm going to chop this off here, attach it to here, and wire it straight into here. Right, give me a second. So if you're doing work with wires and stuff, get yourself a pair of these. They're brilliant. And then, you know, they're just very simple. One siren. Oh, doesn't work. So the last bit to remove is this bit and these cables. Most of them go down to the terminal blocks that were there, but this one goes down here to, I don't know. Looks like maybe the what's it called? The coil pack thingy. Spark creator. Let's have a look. I'll take it all out and then I'll let you know. Don't buy cheap tools. One of these rusty screws in here has just won against my screwdriver. Look at it. Great. So, at the back of the bike, after removing all of that, the only real modification is cutting into the rear indicators. So these are little blocks that cut into the original wire and allow for a second connection to it. So I'm going to take them off and hope that I can just repair the original wire with some, what do you call it, heat shrink. But I'll do that at a later date. At the minute I've just disconnected, shall we say, the wires going to the alarm. Yeah, this is why I don't like using this camera, because the autofocus is, well, temperamental. So I'm not sure what this is. It's connected to the original loom via an original plug, but just seems to link itself, connect to itself in there. So I need to figure that one out. I've taken the washer bottle off again. Not washer bottle, why do I keep calling it that? I've taken the coolant bottle off again because one wire to chase, which is cut into here. Not sure where that goes, but if I just remove that, then it's removed from the original loom. Down to the last 3 wires. One of them goes into this homemade version of negativeness of coil. This red one, I think, is probably supposed to be connected to this red one. I'll check. So basically what the alarm is doing, it's immobilizing the spark creators. So it's taking them out of the loop. So I just need to connect them back together. And then the last wire goes down here. I'm going to hazard a guess it's something to do with making the front indicators flash when the alarm flashes. Right, I figured it out. That needs to go onto there, and that needs to go onto there. So this can go in the bin. Bye. Cool. The alarm system is now 100% removed, and all we've got left is original loom. Need to work out what's going on with that, not sure. And here we have just a pile of junk. So, woohoo! In the next episode, I'm going to be figuring out what's missing from this, and hopefully get some life into the actual ignition itself. So if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe. It means the world to me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all the comments as well.
sorry about the train. The comments are great. I'll try and reply to as many of them as I can. I really appreciate it. And yeah, so if you enjoy this and you want to keep watching, hit subscribe. I'm waffling on. I'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Cheers.